Thank you for your interest in NuVue's Premium Raised Garden Bed. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your raised garden bed. A lot of care has gone into the design of NuVue's products so that they're easy to assemble and no tools are required. Step 1. Slide together the top and bottom panels. There is a sticker indicating which panels are to be used for the top panel. Step 2. Place the first corner in position. Place the corner post so that the longer side of the post is facing down. You will notice a sticker on the panel indicating which panel is on top. Step 4. Place your hand inside the corner post and insert the corner connector bracket into the side panel until you hear a click and the bracket is locked into the side panel. Step 5. Slide the second panel through the second slot on the corner post and push it all the way into the corner connector bracket until you hear a click. Step 6. Repeat this process on all corner and posts. Step 7. Place the caps on top of each corner post. Step 8. Push on top of each post until the side panel is flush with the ground. By doing this, you are sinking the post into the ground to secure it from moving. Depending on the hardness of the surface, you may want to dig to allow each post to firmly go into the ground. Step 9. Fill with soil and enjoy.